As the holiday season approaches, this box right behind us here is the most important gift that we can give somebody this Christmas season.
Well, thanks for tuning in for 25 News at 5. I'm NIYAH Gonzalez. Governor Abbott announced the state's vaccination plan. He says millions of doses are coming to Texas by the end of the month. 25 News reporter Hallie Jones has our big story tonight.
109 hospitals across the state of Texas have received the Pfizer vaccine.
We'll never forget today, December 17th, that we received the first vaccine of COVID-19.
Monday, UPS began delivering vaccines to the major cities in the state. During Thursday's morning's press conference, Governor Greg Abbott saying as of Wednesday night, 95,000 doses have been delivered.
Today, an additional 129,000 doses will be delivered across the state of Texas. So that means for this week, we have about 224,000 doses of vaccines that will be delivered.
Ascension, Providence, Baylor Scott & White Medical Center, Hillcrest, and College Station all received 975 doses Thursday. Baylor Scott & White campuses will start administering their vaccines Friday morning, while nurses with Ascension Providence were vaccinated this afternoon.
I mean, you're kind of making history being one of the first people that are receiving it, whether it's in Ascension or just in the world receiving the vaccine.
Jason Jennings with Baylor Scott & White says the excitement of having the COVID-19 vaccine in-house can be felt throughout the hallways, as healthcare workers know they soon will be vaccinated.
Extreme excitement about the vaccine. It's always excitement around Christmas, but even more excitement that it's something that we've been waiting for some time. But for our hospital to be chosen to deliver the vaccine its first week, it's excitement, but also being proud.
And while not all hospitals in the state receive doses as part of week one's distribution, Governor Abbott says distribution will increase in the coming weeks.
This is going to increase, as I pointed out earlier, next week when we have not just the Pfizer vaccine, but also the Moderna vaccine. And that will allow us to be well over 1 million people who will be vaccinated just in the state of Texas alone, just this month.
Governor Abbott saying the state could begin widening distributing vaccines to not just hospitals as early as next week.
We will be delivering to not just hospitals, but healthcare centers, clinics, pharmacies, freestanding emergency rooms, urgent care centers, long-term healthcare facilities will be receiving these vaccines later on this month, as well as local health departments, state hospitals, and state-supported living centers.
Reporting in College Station, Hallie Jones, 25 News.